videos, so I am going to show you this application for this one, Streax Professional Hair Straightener. So I got this from Amazon and I took the mild one because I already have a straight hair. So what are we going to use is an hair iron, hair straightener iron, a blower. So I use these two combs. I use this brush and this normal comb, and of course you have to use gloves. You cannot use it with your hands. And I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to show you what is inside right here. The Streax hair straightener cream, which is focus 80 grams. And then they have given neutralizing cream, which are 2 sachets, which one sachet is 40 grams. So if your hair is not that long, so you can just use one and you can keep the other one. And inside the box also they had given you the instruction manual and how to use it. They had written it in English and they had written it in Hindi. So they had written also in Punjabi, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, and Telugu. So you can read it as per your own convenience. And there is more one here because India has a lot of languages. So there are Assamese. Oh, what I'm pointing right there. And next one is Bengali, and last one is Marathi. So it's all easy. This is the instruction manual. So I'm going to apply it on my hair and let's see the result. So this is how my hair looks like right now. So let's see if it will look like this after applying the straightening cream. And I forget to tell you that you have to use a glass. Can't use a steel or a plastic because this is a chemical and it won't react. At least if you're using glass, it will not react. So we just use glass. So I'm just going to divide my hair. You have to apply first the hair, which is inside. So that's what we are going to do. So what they had put in the manual is you just have to put this cream first alone without the neutralizing cream. So it's not like dyeing your hair. You have to apply it like this, but don't apply it in your scalp because you may get some chemical reaction with it. And they said in the instruction that you need to time it only for 20 minutes. You just have to do it for 20 minutes. So I finished applying it. We have to give it for 45 minutes and then so I'm going to set in my alarm. Okay, so I had set an alarm of 42 minutes, so counting the 3 minutes earlier. That cream was for how many ml it was? 80 grams, and it really for hair like me, so you need to use it fully. But if you have a longer hair or if you have a thicker hair, then you need 2 of this one, so you can apply it thoroughly in your hair. So now I'm going to comb it. If you wonder, I'm using this comb because it has big gaps and it's better for your hair because it will not pull down your hair when it's wet. And let's comb it straight. Before 45 minutes, you also have to check the elasticity of your hair. Just take some strands like falling hair from your hair, and you have to check it like this. This is the hair strand. So if you stretch it, if you stretch your hair strands, this one, and if it's stretchable, elastic enough, like this, then so you have to wash it if it's elastic enough. There's that. Now we are going to blow dry my hair, but you don't have to make it really dry. You can just leave it like some moisture left on it in your hair. Then after that, we are going to iron it. So this is how my hair looks like now after blow drying. You can see, still looks fizzy. You can see this one, and there. Okay. Maybe I didn't apply it correctly, but if you can see this end, it's fizzy. So let's see after. Now I have to do iron. This is how it looks like after ironing. If you can see right there, I think there's good changes in my hair. If you if you can see from behind, it will look like this now. Okay. I hope you can see it. So I think it's very soft. So this is my daughter. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. So after applying, after ironing it, well, I think I will have to iron it more because I want it more nicer. So after ironing it, you have to apply this one, the neutralizing cream, and you have to keep it for 20 minutes. Then after that, you have to wash it again with lukewarm water, just like the earlier for straightening cream, lukewarm water too. So after that, after washing this one and for keeping it in 20 minutes, you have to dry your hair. You have to dry your hair. Then after that, it's up to you whether you want to iron it or not. Neutralizer cream. Apply it again. Have to apply it again. Guys, it is done. After putting on neutralizer, I blow dry it, and this is how it looks like now. I can't say that my hair is not that frizzy anymore. So this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to iron it. So I iron my hair. So this is the final product. So this is how it looks like after everything, doing everything. So after using this one, Streax Hair Straightener Mild. So my suggestion is you should use it only if your hair is already straight. You can use this if your hair is curly, something like that. So if you have frizzy hair, dry hair, or it's already straight and it's just frizzy like mine, or dry, so you can use this one, mild. If you're curly, you just go for intense. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. Bye.